Eczema, a common skin condition that affects children worldwide, can cause discomfort and distress. Homeopathy is a natural and holistic approach to healing that aims to stimulate the body's own healing mechanisms. Let's explore how homeopathy can help children with eczema.
Eczema is especially common if your child has asthma, food allergies, or hay fever, or if any of these conditions runs in the family. The skin is often dry, itchy, or easily irritated. Symptoms can include a red rash, scratching that damages the skin and leads to more itching. Dry skin, it's a thick leathery patch that shows up over time from scratching and rubbing. In homeopathy, we consider eczema as a manifestation of internal imbalance. Our aim is to identify and address the underlying cause and not merely treating the symptoms. Homeopathic remedies are based on individuals' symptoms and constitution. Homeopathic remedies are typically administered in the form of small sweet pills or liquid dilutions or liquid drops, which are easily taken by the children. In addition, maintaining good hygiene, using gentle and natural skincare products, avoiding the triggers like certain foods or irritants, and keeping the skin moisturized. At Dr. 𝐜𝐿𝐴𝐻's Healthcare, we believe in significance of holistic approach to healing. We take time to thoroughly understand each patient's distinctive symptoms, lifestyle choices, and health conditions. By delving into these personalized aspects, we gain valuable insights into the root cause of health conditions, allowing us to provide effective and personalized solutions.